Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. I'm just going to run you through this 2015 Scirocco we've got for sale. It's a 15 plate, it's only covered just over 39,000 miles with two previous owners. This particular Scirocco is a bit of a rare beast, featuring the 2-litre TSI engine producing 220 horsepower. Just moving around the side of the car, you've got lovely turbine style alloy wheels, which is fantastic against the rising blue metallic paintwork. You also got the privacy glass and the B-pillar backwards, again enhancing that sporty look. Showing the inside of the vehicle, you've got the lovely sports cloth and the Alcantara seats. It's got those lovely rear seats as well, with the headrest integrated. Being in a pre-used car, this does come with 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 2 years MOT cover and much more. Just moving around to the rear of the vehicle, as you can see the 2-litre TSI badging in the red, signifying it is a higher powered model. So plenty of room in the boot, a couple of suitcases if you're going away. You also got a 12-volt socket as well. Just moving on to the inside, you've got the lovely leather multi-wrap steering wheel with the display in just the centre where you can adjust the information available to you, such as speed, miles per gallon, and also your settings there as well. You should have the infotainment screen, which has our satellite navigation to help those longer journeys a breeze. Digital radio, also media, so you can connect your phone, so you can make your calls and also listen to your favourite music. You also get dual zone climate control, help keeping your passengers happy, and also the heated seats, which are brilliant in the winter mornings. Just moving down to the centre, so you've got your buttons there, that's your parking sensors front and rear, to help get into those tight spaces. Just running down the side, you've got your handbrake and also a couple of cup holders and a centre armrest which is adjustable, and also another connectivity there to keep your devices charged up. Just at the top there, you've got your turbo gauge and also you've got your oil temperature as well. If you've got any further questions on this car or you'd like to go for a test drive, please give us a call 01270 864 452. Thanks very much for watching.